everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to put together the Abbey Stationery PPE face shield in just about 10 seconds. These face shields are really needed at the moment. We are a UK manufacturer of these face shields and they're available at trade prices with quick delivery. So here's the face shield. You have two pieces of polypropylene. First you grab this section and just pinch and pop it into there, and the same on this side. And you have adjustable holes here, so I'm just going to pop it into the one I know fits my head. And then there is your face shield. So these face shields are really strong, they're reusable so you can sanitise them, and they're recyclable at the end of their life. So if you would like to find out more, please do get in touch with Abbey Stationery and we'd be delighted to help.